Okay, and this means the beer brats are cooked, and we'll just put them over the grill real quick. Hey, it's Nikki with Out This Door. It's time for another 2-Tip Tuesday. We are just about ready to leave on our next RV adventure, and I've got some time-saving tips for you. It's all about dinner. Okay, it's about a day and a half before we leave for the trip. I just got the beer brats done. So what's happened is now I've gotten all our meals prepared, and there's a reason why I do this. I want to spend minimal amount of time in the RV kitchen, and when I'm at home, I know I have things like Worcestershire sauce and stuff like that, stuff I don't put in the RV. So it's much easier for me to cook at home. I can do a couple meals at the same time. Yesterday I was cooking manwich and fried rice at the same time. I've been doing that for the last couple days. Then I partitioned it out into meal-sized servings, and then all I have to do is pop it in the microwave. All right, and then when you're looking to decide what ingredients to use, you know, I was always taught that I couldn't use the box of mashed potatoes. I wasn't a real housewife if I was using the box of mashed potatoes. Heck with that, I'm gonna use the box of mashed potatoes, especially in the RV. They actually taste really good. And then when you're thinking about things like boiling pasta, this actually takes like 8 minutes to do, or gnocchi, it only takes a couple minutes. So that'll help cut corners too while you're in the kitchen, all that stuff that can't be frozen and can't be made beforehand. Get out this door for a lifetime of trips.